Abdullah dough kneader 5 kg being packed and checked for Daraz order on 16th October 2023. Metal blade is included, measuring flask is included, warranty booklet is included. There are no damages. It is okay from all the sides. Machine has started. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the 0 position. It easily makes dough within 5 minutes. It's a lifesaver for housewives. The machine has automatically stopped. Now it will be packed for Daraz. वहाँ से निकालो रिव्यू